And it's up on these things, they're going to do all sorts of things on the skis. And let me remind you, the more you clap, the higher they'll go. Okay, Spencer's just coming in. For the first part of the routine, we're going to use two jet skis. So you've got Dan on the orange ski and on the yellow ski. So just pulling up together at the top end of the harbour. Now, instead of just standing up on these things, they're lying on the hoods, controlling the ski with the right hand on the throttle, and then in situ, spinning round from what's called a 360 bulldog, rising out again, spinning it once more into a 180 bulldog, and riding that the same way they came, throwing it again into 180 360 bulldog, riding that out, spinning once more, sitting on the hood, dropping the nose of that ski down and throwing a big fountain. What do you think of that? Yes, thank you. Popping back into the tray, just controlling the ski. Again, Dan goes to one end of the harbour, and on the other ski comes to this end, turns round, waits for Dan, going straight at one another now. As they just meet the point in the middle, they turn, spin round, cross over one another, and again, throw a huge fountain, cross over a fountain between the two. Good control by both skiers, just hopping round, back into the trays of the skis. And just starting the ski up there, comes to the bottom end of the harbour. Turns and faces Dan again. Again, going straight at one another now. What we're going to do now is just hop the ski up, turn round, drop the back of the ski in, and that's called the tail stand. Just rotate with good control around each other. Tail stand. Now what you'll see are the basic tricks, freestyle tricks that people start with, and we'll move on to some bigger stuff as we get further on through the display. So again, this time, again, Dan coming from the top end, Ant coming from the bottom end. Take one hop and suck those skis right under the water, straight under the water. Now you have to bear in mind, these skis are basically the same as motorbike engines, so they still need to breathe air. So any amount of time under the water, if there's no air in the hood, the ski will stop. So Ant comes in and Dan goes out to do a solo routine. So you're watching Dan Rowland, who's the current amateur freestyle champion, British freestyle champion, coming in to do a bit of a solo routine for you. Now normally when they compete they do a 2-minute routine, a mixture of tricks. You can hear Dan just revving that engine, makes his own wake, turns back on it, does a huge dive monkey or spring monkey over the top. What do you think of that? Fantastic. Smiling as he comes out. Okay, as I say, normally a 2-minute routine, so Dan's going to pack a few tricks in for you. Again, turns, he makes his own wake, turns to look where the wake is. Massive 180 nose stab, straight in. Comes out smiling, doesn't even get his hair wet. Now you'll hear the engines, you just blitz these engines, they're not built for speed, it's just built for acceleration. Oh, massive throw, bullet throw round and back into the tray. You have to bear in mind, these skis are built to ride standing up, but these lads just throw them round. You've got footholds built into the trays to help them. Massive throw round. Okay, Dan, what are you going to do next? What are you going to do next? Barrel roll? Do you want to see a barrel roll in water? Do you want to see a barrel roll in water? Yes? Louder, do you want to see a barrel roll? Yes. Okay, Dan? Okay, makes his own way, turns back on it. There you go, you can do it in the air, you can do it on jet ski. Barrel roll. Dan, can you do it with one hand? You want to see it with one hand? Okay. Again, he's just revving that ski, makes it wake, turns in a U shape, and makes a wave that he then looks at. If the wave's big enough, he'll use it as a takeoff. Massive one-handed barrel roll and lands it. Huge barrel roll, one-handed by Dan Rowan. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to get a bit bigger now. Not just on the skis, Spencer's 6'7". Spencer Wells, European champion. Superb jet skier. So again, Spencer just warming his ski up. Has a little look back. A little bit choppy today. So again, what he's trying to do is look for some flat water so he can create a nice clean wake to take off from. Now you've got to bear in mind that these skis weigh in excess of 130 kilos. Engines and Spencer skis over 800 cc.
Choppy, isn't it? Yeah.
So again, Spencer just looking round, finds his way, spots where it's turning. A massive barrel roll. Superb. Again, Spencer just flipping that throttle. Quick look round, makes his weight, looks back to him, looks for his takeoff point. Whoa, massive round the world throw, loose grip throw that one, back into the tray. So kicks that ski round 360 degrees, catches it, lands back in the tray. Now what you can see is that he's actually kicking his feet into the footholds in the side of that tray, the back of the ski. That's how they wedge themselves in to do these tricks. So he's pulling the throttle and pulling up with his feet. What's he going to do now? Oh, massive 180 nose down Spencer. Okay, Spencer, what are you going to do? Do you want to see a backflip? Can't hear you. Do you want to see a backflip? Nearly heard that. Do you want to see a backflip? Okay, Spence, let it go. Okay, you have to bear in mind that he's at 140 kilo. Spencer weighs in excess of how much that?
What? Backwards?
14 and a half stones, something like that. And he's going to throw this ski all the way around over himself while still remaining attached to the thing. So he turns, makes the weight, jumps into, whoa! Huge backflip, Spencer Wells. Superb. Turns, just throws that ski right for good leg. How's that? Round the world. Superb, Spence. Okay, now this one places. Quick handshake. Spencer comes in. And Burgess goes out. Actually world freestyle champion, current British champion, pro freestyle champion. So Spencer's thrown the gauntlet down now, some massive tricks there. And again, like Spencer looks for his weight, goes for massive backflip like Burgess.
Oh, is that Ralph?
And ski's slightly shorter than Spencer's. Again, finds his weight. Throws that massive barrel roll, huge barrel roll. Okay, again, getting a bit choppy, so he's carving out that weight, big smile on his face. What's he doing now? That's called a flare, huge flare, mixture of a barrel roll and backflip all in one. Seeing Spencer throw the ski around, what's that going to do? Oh, massive loose grip, holds onto the ski, jumps back into the tray, rides it out. Okay, Anne, what are you going to do? One. Who wants to see two backflips? Can't hear you. Who wants to see two backflips? One after the other, straight after the other. Okay? Two backflips up. Okay, here you go. Here we go. Count. 1, 2, double backflip. Okay. Can you do one with no hands? Can you do a barrel roll with no hands? Can you? Who wants to see a barrel roll with no hands? No handy barrel roll. Can't hear you. Who wants to see a no handy barrel roll? hear some